All right, in order to find the slope from two numbers, or 2 points, first you need to know the slope formula. So slope is m, and the slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. All right, so let's take a look at our points. 1 is going to be our x, and we have, so those are our first x and y, and we have a second set of x and y, so that would be x2, y2, and we're going to plug into our formula now. All right, so it looks like we're going to use our y2, so let's do negative 7 minus our y1, which is negative 19, and make sure that you put both negative signs, and you can recognize that those will turn into a positive if you want to. All right, so now we're looking at x2, which is negative 2, minus x1 of 1, so this is going to be, keep flip change, it's going to turn into two positives. So 19 minus 7 is going to give us 12. And negative 2 minus 1 is going to give us a negative 3. So that's going to reduce. 3 is going to go into 12 4 times, and 3 goes into itself 1 time. So the slope is going to be a negative 4. All right, let's remember the slope formula again. So m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And we have an x1, y1, x2, y2. So negative 3 minus negative 12. Those are my y's. My x's go on bottom. So 15 minus 6. So I'm going to keep flip change. And negative 3 plus 12 gives us a 9. And 15 minus 6 also gives us 9. So we know anything divided by itself is 1. So the slope on this one would be 1. Alright, so let's remember that slope formula again. So slope is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And we have an x1, y1, x2, y2. So our y2 is 17 minus our y1 of 17. And we can stop there if you want to, because we know that the top is going to be 0, and therefore we know that anything divided by 0 is going to be a 0 slope. If you wanted to prove that to yourself, you could say 8 minus negative 13. Keep flip change, turns that to a 21, and 0 divided by 21 will be 0, so therefore you have a 0 slope.